Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. So when you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone, you can use controls on your speaker. So with this control you can play or pause the song or the movie, you can play next or previous track, you can also volume control your music. With this sunny icon you can turn on or turn off LED light or change LED light mode. Also you can enable bass boost, enable or disable PartyCast, it's up to you. Okay, and also with the speaker you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer preset. You need to go to the SOUNDCORE application. Of course your speaker should be connected with the app. Right here we have equalizer. Here we have 4 presets what SOUNDCORE offer for you. We can also use a custom presets and use a custom one. We can also apply them using QR code. So you can apply it from your friends, let's say. Next one, as I said, we can enable or disable bass boost, and because we have bass boost here, but the most interesting that this one is not equalizer preset, because usually this one is equalizer preset. Right here, as you can see, we have bass up, so you can enable or disable it using the app or the control. The most interesting right here, so let's say I use balance preset, and once I enable bass boost, it changed my preset. So I guess it's a good one. Also, you can play sound effects. So we have emergency alarm, or we have also some chilling preset here. You can play, let's say, forest, or you can use a DIY. And right here we have a lot of presets here, so you can make something good for you. You can set timer for it. Now, I really like this feature. This is bass clean, and what this mod do, and when we enable this mod, your speaker start to vibrate, to shake off sand and dust from your speaker, and it's a good one. Next, we also can set LED light. Right here we can increase or lower the brightness, we can turn off and turn on LED light, we can change modes, we can use it in the application or by a gesture, and it's a good one. Next, also you can disable prompts, you can turn off or turn on LED lights, and you can enable clipboard permission. You can find user manual right here in the application. Now, if you have some trouble with your speaker, you can easily perform a factory reset, and to do this you need to press at the same time Bluetooth button and volume up button for at least something like 10 seconds, but then you need to reconnect your speaker with a phone. If you still don't know how to perform a factory reset, you can check video at this channel, we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!